Alright, welcome to today's video, and I'm Leke Cosby Finance, and in this video I'll be explaining how you can scalp using or I can say you can use it for both scalping and long-term trading using the Fibonacci and the MACD indicator. So we're going to be having a series of MACD indicator trading strategies, and in this particular video we'll be discussing how you can actually combine the MACD with the Fibonacci tool to be profitable. So if you're new to this channel, I'd like you to subscribe and click the bell button. I'd like to subscribe to my channel, and I'd like to click the bell button also, so that you can be alerted whenever we upload wonderful videos like this. As you can see that there are several strategies that we've shared in the past, so do well to watch each and every one of them and to see which one is going to work for you in terms of your trading psychology, because we all have our own personal psychology and how we trade. So you could actually pick a few strategies from here, because all these are profitable strategies, or just pick the one that actually suits you and the one that works with your personality. So all right, jumping right in now, the first thing I need you to understand is the Fibonacci in itself is one of the most important tool in trading, and a lot of persons don't know how to actually use this simple tool. Now the Fibonacci in itself can be used in place for support and resistance, because it plots important levels, I would say major levels of support and resistance, where price is expected to reverse or continue or retest and continue. Now where you actually make use of the Fibonacci, or how you make use of it, is what's important. A lot of persons actually draw the Fibonacci in the wrong way. So now the first thing you want to do with your Fibonacci is simple. Now the Fibonacci is graduated from 0 to 100, and you want to pick the previous low. You want to pick the low of a trend and the high of a trend. For instance, you can see in this particular trend here, this buy trend, you can see that this is a low and this is a high of this trend. So how do you want to draw a Fibonacci? So this is the Fibonacci tool. You can see draw Fibonacci retracement. So you just draw Fibonacci from bottom to top. Yes, that's it. So you can see that the price, you can see this price moved from bottom to top before dropping. So all you're concerned about is it's moving, so you'll be drawing your Fibonacci also from the bottom to the top. So why, you can see that at this top where the trend ends, you can see that it marks it as 0, and you can see that where this trend actually started, it marks it as 100, because we are considering a reversal. I want to see where price is going to reverse. And now one thing I want you to have in the back of your mind is what we call the golden rule. The golden rule. Now the golden rule for the Fibonacci is that price reverses at 50 and 61.8. So all you're going to be concerning yourself is these prices, is this price levels, that's 50 and 61.8. Now you'll be looking for price to reverse at these levels. The moment price touches 50, or is between 50 and 61.8, or price touches 61.8. At that point is where we'll now start looking for possible reversals. That is, price will, because we'll be seeing this as a pullback, a major pullback precisely, then expect that price will reverse upwards. So we'll now be using our MACD to confirm the upward movement. So let me add my MACD to my chart. Okay, all right. Okay, so this is my MACD. Yeah, so the MACD is one of the most important tools that I like to use. Why? Because it makes life so easy for me. It makes life so easy for me. So now you can see that price pushed up, then came back down and came to retest this level right here. Now what you want to see is, you can see that the MACD is still in a buy zone. Yeah, and it's already in the 61 of, it's already between the 61.8 and 50 zone. So this is a very good situation whereby all you need to do is to wait for the cross to the upper side. You just wait for the cross to the upper side. So now, well, in this kind of scenario, all you need, you just might be entering at a point whereby price will have started moving upwards. Yes, because before the MACD sometimes lag. So before you get a cross on your MACD right here, you notice that price would have pushed up towards this 38.2 level. So in this kind of scenario, I always like to do away with trades like this. So let me look for another scenario whereby I would have taken a trade like this. So let's look at this particular trend here, this downtrend. Okay, price moved from here to here. All right, now as the price moved from here to here, then retested this level. Do not forget that we're only concerned about our golden rule that talks about price must either touch 50 or 61.8 or must be between the two of them. So you can see this scenario, you can see that price dropped, then pushed higher, then wait for price to come in between 61.8 and 50. Now you can see price entered in between here, and you can see that the MACD also pushed above zero here. Let me draw this line to, you pushed above zero. This is the level here. So you would have waited for your MACD cross at this point, then you place your entry just right here. That's a sell. Then you can see you would have made a lot of profit coming towards this level here. So your take profit will be the beginning of, sorry, it will be the end of the trend. Yes, that's the trend moved from here to here. So if you enter right here, then here will be your profit target. Okay, let's look at another possible scenario. Let's see if we can get something good here also. So you can see price move from, so in this scenario you can see price move from here to here. I see. So price moved from here to here, then you can see it pushed back upwards, isn't it? But in pushing back, you can see it exceeded 61.8 and 50. So in my own opinion, I would like to do away with a trade like this. So then look for another good scenario. Okay, let's look at this one. Price move from here to here. Okay, you can see price move from here to here. You can see that it played around I see it played around 61.8. Then my MACD had a cross right here also, so I just made a little profit at this level. Yes, so let's look for another good scenario. Let's look for another one. This is a very strong uptrend, a very strong uptrend. All right. Okay, so let's look at this also. Let's look at this level here and this level. All right, so you can see price move from here to here. Then you can see it came towards it right here. It came in between 50 and 61. Then you had your MACD push to above 0. Yeah, don't forget that the reverse would be the case if you're looking for an upward signal. The MACD will need to cross below the 0 line. So but here you're looking for a sell signal, so the MACD crossed above the 0 line, and you can see right here you just make a little profit here, and that's it. So let's just look for one more example, and so that you can understand how this strategy really works. And do not forget, you're only concerned about your golden ratio, your golden rule, your golden levels. All right, let's look at this. Let's see if this will give us something good. All right, it actually did give us something good. You can see price move from here to here, and price pushed to in between 50 and 61.8 at this level. So just right at this level, and you can see just right here, you can see that the MACD also pushed above the 0 level, isn't it? So just right here, then you place your sell trade and the market drops. You can see, and you can see it touched our target here. So that's how you can actually make use of the MACD and the Fibonacci tool. So your MACD is going to be your confirmation of the trend, or I would say the continuation of the trend. Then also your Fibonacci will serve as the support and the resistance major levels. So it's necessary that you understand how to mix this up so that you can actually get a profitable trading. So if you like this strategy, I'd like to click the like button and also do share with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel and click the bell button, and also join our Telegram group where we'll share strategies and also give prospective trading strategies. I usually give them in a group what to expect and the price action and all that. So if it's something you like to look into, it's something you like to be getting, signals, you like to be getting chart analysis, just go to our Telegram group. It all is in the description below. Just go to the description below and you'll see the link to the Telegram group, and I'll see you inside. So I remain your boy Licky. Take care and bye for now.